Hey everyone! How are you doing today? I hope you're feeling ready to learn and speak with me. My name is Neha, and welcome to day 3 of our 7-day shadowing practice series. On day 1, we practiced 100 daily routine sentences to help you talk about your everyday life in English. On day 2, we learned 70 real-life conversation phrases that you can use with anyone, anywhere. And now it's time for day 3. Today, we'll focus on 50 leveled-up English sentences that you can use at home with your family and friends. These sentences are simple, but they sound more natural and real. They'll help you sound more confident and less robotic. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with me like we're talking together in real life. All right, let's begin with the first 10 sentences. These are things you can say in the morning, when you're waking up, or talking with your family.
Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? I had such a strange dream. I don't even know how to explain it. Can we have something different for breakfast today? I'm a little bored of toast. I'll make some tea for everyone. Just give me a few minutes. Please don't forget, we have to leave early today. I'm still feeling sleepy, even after a full night's sleep. Could you pass me the remote? I want to check the news. I think we ran out of milk. Should I go buy some? Don't use your phone while eating. Let's talk instead. I'll clean my room after breakfast. I promise. That was a great start. You're doing really well, just by practicing with me every day. Now, let's keep going. This next batch of sentences will help you talk naturally when you're spending time with family or relaxing at home. These are perfect for casual conversations in the living room, at the dining table, or even in your bedroom. Let's begin. I think we should watch a movie tonight. It's been a long time. Can you help me find the TV remote? It's always disappearing. I'm going to fold the laundry. Do you want to help? Let's sit together and play a board game. It'll be fun. I need some quiet time. I'm going to read in my room for a bit. Could you turn down the volume a little? I'm trying to concentrate. I love how this room feels when the sunlight comes in. I'll water the plants today. They're looking a little dry. I'm making a snack. Do you want some too? Let's clean the house together. It'll be faster and more fun. Great job so far. Now let's continue with some more natural sentences you can use while relaxing at home or spending time with family. Repeat after me and shadow the sentences just like before. Ready? Let's go. I'm thinking about cooking dinner tonight. Maybe something simple like pasta. Could you please set the table while I finish chopping the vegetables? Dinner smells amazing. I can't wait to eat. Don't forget to wash your hands before we sit down to eat. Let's eat together at the table. No phones allowed. I'll do the dishes tonight. Since you cooked, can we make some dessert later? Maybe chocolate pudding? I'm going to light a candle. It makes the room feel cozy. The kitchen looks so clean. Let's try to keep it that way. I think I'll write in my journal before going to bed. Okay, now imagine this. It's the weekend. No school, no rushing, no alarm clocks. Just a lazy morning with messy hair, cozy pajamas, and your whole family at home. You feel relaxed, happy, and ready for a day full of laughter, silly jokes, and little fun moments that bring everyone closer. Let's jump into some sentences that sound just like those weekend vibes with your family. Let's start. Let's play some music and dance around the living room. Who cares if we look silly? I just made up a funny song. Want to hear it? Dad's telling his jokes again. They're so bad, they're actually funny. I challenge you to a pillow fight. Are you ready? Let's take silly selfies together. This one will be our album cover. I tried to draw a dog, but it looks more like a potato. Can we all wear our pajamas the whole day? It's a lazy weekend. I made a new handshake. Let's practice it. Let's act like we're in a movie. You be the villain. I haven't laughed this much in ages. This was the best part of my week.
After all that fun, let's imagine the family just keeps the good vibes going. These next sentences are about little adventures, making forts, calling friends, and doing things that make memories. Let's build a blanket fort and pretend it's our secret base. I found my old toys. Want to help me set them up again? I'm going to make a pretend cafe. And you're my customer. Can we call Grandma? I want to show her our silly dance. Let's write a family story. And everyone adds one line. I want to paint something big today. Like a sunset or a rocket ship. Who wants to play detective? We need to solve the case of the missing cookie. Let's switch roles for fun. I'll be the parent and you be the kid. This day was like a dream. I wish it could last forever. Let's promise to do this again. Same time next weekend.
And that's it for today's practice, my friend. We started the day with sweet good mornings and breakfast talk, then moved through small everyday chats like helping out at home, watching movies, or making snacks, and ended with giggles, dancing, and silly moments during the weekend. Every sentence you shadowed today brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently. If you made it to the end, I'm super proud of you. Keep going. Practice these lines again and again, and soon they'll become part of your daily life. Want more fun, real-life English like this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toon Talk English. I'll see you in day 4, where we'll practice another 50 sentences in a whole new style. Until then, Keep smiling, keep speaking, and remember, your English is getting better every single day. Bye for now.